the beers. We spend a lot of time out on the water throughout the summer, but there are a lot of dockside tasks that need to get done to keep the boat operating well and looking good. Along with the fun, there's work to be done. Working on another summer project. I had the cradle sandblasted a couple weeks ago. Got all the rust off, and now I am in the process of painting it. Just about halfway done, I think. So work on a little bit more of it this evening. Clean dinghy bottom. It was pretty bad before this, from sitting for several weeks in the water without moving. So I'll probably need to be cleaned again before we close out the season, but for now it's good. More projects. Today we're going to put in a cleat to tie off the anchor. The 36.7 had one down in here. This one doesn't for some reason. So rather than tying off onto this cleat up here, we'll put one in here so we can tie off, then run the line out through the bow roller, and be set if we need to anchor. to check the oil. There are always RUM, R-U-M projects throughout the season. RUM stands for Repair, Upgrade, and Maintenance. These were just a few of those RUM projects. It's all part of the ongoing process of keeping the boat up. Well, when the work is done, it's time to have some fun. Let's go sailing. Losing our wind. Thank you for watching and joining us on this sail this afternoon. If you would, please give us a like down below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help our channel. Thanks again, and thanks for watching.